Yo, what is up guys? Crafter here, and today I'm actually going to show you how to edit TikToks or YouTube Shorts. So we're just going to take our clip that we want and drag it into here. Then what we're going to do is take our clip, drag it down here, right click underneath this video track here and add an audio track just in case you need it if you want to add different audio and stuff, because once it gets clustered with video tracks it'll be harder to add that audio track. Anyway, then what we're going to do is actually find the starting point that we want for our clip. I want mine to start. I did get a kill there, but I'm actually not making that the start of the clip. I'm going to go right here. Right when I'm about to throw out my cipher cage. Or my cipher trap and cage. I'm going to split, and then hit delete on the keyboard because it's already got this highlighted before. So now I have the length that I want. And I actually need pretty much this whole track up until the end. So what I'm going to do next is add a new video track, and then I'm going to click on this clip here, copy it, paste it. It'll paste it right next to it, so we're just going to drag it and put it back at the beginning here. So now we have two of the same track on top of each other. Now you're probably wondering, Deca, it's not phone formatted. What are you doing? How does this... Okay, hold on. I'm going to show you in just a second. We're actually going to add another couple video tracks because we're going to need that for displaying text and stuff in our edit, which I can show you later in the video. So make sure you keep watching. We're going to go through this really quick. I'm not going to waste your time. All right. Next, what you want to do is actually go up to here, File, Project Settings. Then we're going to flop these around because it's actually still 1080p. It's literally flopped. So put 1080 here, 1920 here, and hit save. But now you're probably like, Deca, that looks like garbage. What are you talking about? All right, chill. Select the bottom video track here. Then go up to here in our video, whatever this is, editing, and zoom. Now, because this is a Valorant track, I'm actually going to zoom past where I would normally zoom. And that's because I don't like the overlay showing up. So I'm going to go to here. And then what we're going to do next is grab the other video track and zoom in to a good size as well. So we're going to watch this play through, but you can see this bottom track here isn't blurred. It looks normal. So we're actually going to go to Effects up here. Make sure you select the bottom track. And then you'll see Gaussian Blur under Resolve FX Blur. Take that and drag it on top of the bottom track. Now it is slightly blurred, but what we're going to do is click on it, go to Effects up here in the top right, and then just increase one. They'll increase together, and you can kind of select a higher blur. This looks alright, I think. But now the track looks a lot better for a phone. Now we are going to add some text. So first I need to figure out where I want to add the text. You know what we're going to do actually? We're going to go forward, go to this part, throw that trap. Then we're going to split both of these. And then it ends where we want to leave off. Alright, so then we're going to split like right here. Split the bottom one as well. Alright, now we can speed change this little section here so that we don't speed change a ton of it. We're going to increase it by like 170%. We need to time it with this track, so that's right at that moment. So we want to split here. And then we're actually going to go to this track and increase by 170% as well. Do the exact same percentage or you're going to oof yourself. Okay, that way the tracks are lined up properly. Then we're going to split here, select these two, hit delete on the keyboard, and now... Oh, okay. I grabbed the wrong sequence here, so we want to actually split right here. Split, we're just kind of lining everything up right now, delete. Alright, and that should be a fairly smooth transition. Cool.
Up and you'll get it.
Hey, but I don't want.
You can hear that ladder. So right here I want to add some text, so we're just going to go up to Titles, Text, drag it down above the track. I'm going to start around here. We can change the text right up here in the top right. We can put heard him get on rope. Layout, and this is where you can kind of change its positioning. You can change the size of it as well. If you go back to text and size here, because it's on a phone, it's actually going to look a bit bigger than what we see. So I'm going to just make it there. Go back to layout again, and I am going to rotate it. So we just go here and rotate Z. Z is the one you want to rotate, otherwise you start getting stuff like this. Kind of move it into the corner a little bit. I do want to leave some space because you don't know exactly what it's going to look like on everyone's phone. So I always want to leave a gap here and here, just for like when it's on TikTok, you know, the like button and the follow and everything. So it's not blocking the text that you're placing. And then I'm going to go here, and we're actually going to split again, and then delete everything.
I don't want that game.
Let's extend this to about here.
I don't want that game.
Alright, cool. So now we have our little text that pops up. Now if we want to add shading and stuff to it, you just hit shading, enable 2, right here, and then you can select the color, and now it has a border. So I can actually up the thickness of this. I like upping the thickness all the way whenever I do text. I'm just going to leave it as is, actually. I kind of like that, just the red. And I'm going to mute it again just because obviously my friends are really annoying, and I'm just going to put music in this probably. But that's as easy as going back to media pool, taking the song you want, dragging it in here, dragging it down, and then clipping the music however you want. But as far as setting up this video, you're pretty much done. Once you've finished your editing, you're just going to go up to quick export, export it to your desktop, and now you've got a TikTok or YouTube Shorts video. I'm going to post the link to the final product of this video or this short in the description if you want to check it out. Anyway, hope this tutorial helped you guys out. If you need any help, go ahead and hit me up on Discord. My link's going to be in the description as well. You can DM me there, and I literally respond to like everyone. Hope you have a great day, and I hope this tutorial helped you out. Also, send it to a friend that might need it. Adios.